Reese, SELG Grade 6 Representative, and SBES Chronicles Editorial Board Contributor. At ngayon naman, bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan ang natatanging nagkamit ng may mas mataas na karangalan, Bautista Reese S. May mataas na karangalan. District School Press Conference, first place, editorial writing. Second place, editorial cartooning. First place, member of the collaborative desktop publishing team in English. District Festival of Talent, second place in Techno-Olympics Invitation Card Making. And fifth place in Pintahusay. Division School Press Conference, second place, editorial cartooning in English. 10th place member of the collaborative desktop publishing team in English. She is the Vice President of Supreme Elementary Learners Government. She is also the Editor-in-Chief and Editorial Cartoonist in SBS Corners Indicator Board. The 2025 Regional School Press Conference Qualifier. She is also recognized as the pinakamahusay sa mga asignatura ng Ingles, Filipino, Agham, Araling Panglipunan, Edukasyon sa Teknolohiya at Pangkabuhayan, Musika, Sining, Edukasyon, Pangkatawan at Pangkalusugan. Isa din siya sa mga natatanging mamamahayag. Congratulations! Palakpakan naman po natin si Reese S. Bautista. Sa bawat tagumpay ng ating nakamit, hindi natin maaaring kalimutan ang mga taong naging bahagi ng ating paglalakbay, ang ating mga magulang.